This is the Meta-Lax stress relief in the racing industry. It's a metal stress relief treatment used to prevent extreme fatigue, helping cars finish fast, first, and safely. First, let's start where the heat and friction are absolutely intense, the brakes. So, during a grueling 24-hour endurance race, an untreated brake rotor suffered your normal small cracks distributed all across its surface. But the identical Meta-Lax treated rotor, it showed absolutely zero evident cracks and had significantly less surface wear. Second, moving from stopping power to the structural foundation of the car, this treatment is applied during chassis weld conditioning and repair. The process actively prevents cracking and distortion. Finally, let's look at the heart of the vehicle, because this is where we see the most massive longevity gains. By fighting off structural fatigue inside the engine components, this treatment literally doubles the lifespan of valve springs and connecting rods. And get this, it actually triples the life of crankshafts. Ultimately, Meta-Lax fundamentally changes a race car's endurance, transforming vulnerable metal into a highly reliable machine that's going to outlast the competition.